Hey ladies, how you doing? So yes, I'm here to show you a nice unboxing of this hair I've never heard before, but nevertheless, we all love some really good hair. So it was always good to, try some new things and see what's out there on the market. So it came via FedEx, which is good. And this is the company. So I would say Beafay. If I'm saying it wrong, please correct me. But yes, this hair here, this is the Indian loose wave. Super excited because I've never tried Indian hair before, and if I did, I can't remember, so I can't even begin to compare or even to say, oh yeah guys, it's good or something like that. So I'm super excited. They gave me a wig cap, and this is how it came in the box. All the hair, the bundles, and the closure is behind. Now I didn't go long. I had a little phase I was going through where I wanted everything to be like 18, 18, 18, and that's not long to some ladies. Some ladies go 22, 26, 30, and so forth and so on, but I can't do that. So I got two 16s and a 14 and a 14-inch closure, and I wanted that because I can wear that to work. I can wear it. I like to get a frontal now since I know how to put them on. Get it to where I can wear a middle part, I can flip it over, so forth. Keep it real simple. So this is a loose wave. It's natural black, standard packaging, nothing too fancy, and it pretty much lets you know what it is up top. So let's open the closure, and I open up one bundle just to kind of see what it looks like. So here is the hair. Oh, it got a nice look. Do you guys hear my little chihuahua barking? She's mad because we have french fries on the stove and she can't handle it, so she's mad. But here is the loose wave. It feels so soft. So this is the actual front. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Normal size frontal. I just happen to smell it. It does smell like, doesn't smell bad. It does smell like it's been in the factory, processed and so forth. So, I see little short hairs up here by the hairline. This is not pre-plucked. You can see the knots. The actual hair itself, I don't see any flyaways in the hair, but I do see them up here in the top, which again is not a big a deal breaker for me, but I like to always let you guys know what's on the hair. So the hairline is not pre-plucked. It does have some curves and bends in it, but again, work would have to be done if you would want to wear this back in a ponytail or some type of behind the ear action. Me, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to probably flip it over or wear a middle part. So you don't have to do much to it when you wear it like that. You camouflage so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up a 16 because as soon as I finish this video, I'm going to begin sewing because I'm excited. I haven't had Indian hair. I'm just trying to feel. I haven't commented on it yet because I can't tell so much of a difference as of yet. I'm only able to tell once I actually wash it. I will say the hair is super duper soft. I see a little dust in here, which is fine because if it's being processed in a factory, dust is everywhere. There's some flyaways once you bend the hair over. I do see some flyaways, but nevertheless the hair is just so soft, and I like the fact that it's cut. You can tell the hair is cut. The ends are super even, which is good because sometimes when you have your units, it can kind of, as it goes down to the bottom, it gets kind of like, thin. This here will assure that it's going to be thick because it's full all the way through, which is good. So this is nice. I like it. It's a nice little shorty temple curl. So let's go ahead and open it up because I want to see if you can kind of see through it. Look at the weft construction. Weft construction looks good, nice and thick. It's standard weft construction. It's not how they make it like back in the day. This is a really good weft construction. So I do like that. You probably can't see, but you know, it's really good. I like it. Beards don't bother me. I know some folks like to know about those things, but they're in there, but they're kind of, you know, just to fold over on how they actually sew the actual hair onto the weft. Doesn't bother me because if you know how to take care of your hair, it should go fine. I will say this hair feels so soft. It feels like light, like airy. Now I've had some light airy hair before, but this feels really really light. I see some gray strands in here. Doesn't bother me. Makes it more realistic because I do have grays myself. So let's see. This is it double wefted. How I would sew it onto the cap. So this is how it looks. Nice and full. Nice and bouncy. My goal is to be able to wear this in its natural state. No product. This is the actual weft single. Looks good. You know, you can see through it a little bit, of course, because it's not double. Here's it double. So far so good. I like that. This is the actual 16. I'm not going to go into the 14 because we know how all the bundles look. It's just the 14 is just shorter. My closure is a 14 as well. So yeah, let me know if you've heard this company before. I'll leave all the links down below so you can see, you know, what their range is and so forth and so on, because we always like to know what we're dealing with and what's going on. Like I said, I will leave the links down below for you to check out the company, and I'll be back with a nice wig to let you guys know how it came out, how it feels, how was the sewing process, in addition to once I wash it, because I don't wash my bundles until I finish making the actual whole unit. I wash the cap and everything, and it lets me know how the hair will behave, you know, once water hits it, because you know it looks great here. This looks very lush and plush. It looks great, guys, great. But the real test is once you condition it and you wash it and let it air dry. Some folks like to blow dry. I don't blow dry my hair because, again, this hair has been through some things. So at the end of the day, you don't want to put too much on it, because then that will kind of mess up everything, and then that's when you have all the knots and kinks. And it's always good to wash your hair in nice lukewarm water or cold water if you can stand it. I do cold water. I want to hold my hair. I want it to last, okay? So I want to say hey to all my new subscribers. Hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.